What is a progressive web app? The following describes what is a progressive web app, also known as a PWA, is defined by Wiki. PWA is a category of application software distributed online. Utilizing widespread web standards like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is designed to function on all platforms, including desktop and mobile gadgets. PWA in simplified definition. Find it to be too difficult? Let me simplify things for you. There are several benefits and drawbacks to conventional websites. So do native mobile apps. Progressive web apps combine all the benefits and get rid of all the drawbacks of both worlds by fusing features from both webs and apps. Websites' pros and cons. Let's now investigate it further. Let's first discuss the web page. It is simple to use, simple to distribute, and search engine friendly. However, this platform is only effective when used on a desktop. Even responsive websites cannot provide the optimal user experience on mobile. Native apps' pros and cons. However, native apps that are an experience that is smoothly delivered can be downloaded from the app distribution platforms. However, only one operating system can support each native app. It implies that if we wish to contact every possible user, several native apps must be created. Additionally, we are unable to submit them to Google for indexing in order to rank the apps on search engines. PWAs compared to webs and apps. Thankfully, we now have progressive web apps. It can still be indexed like other websites. Add a corresponding address so that we can simply advertise it on social media. Or advertise it. Interestingly more, smartphones may quickly install PWA without needing to download it from an app store. Next, on portable devices. It can offer app-like experiences with a home screen icon, full screen view, and other features. Many native features, a splash page, such as quick loading rates, notifications through push, offline settings, etc. PWA is compatible with various operating systems, browsers with a single source code base, and devices. Consequently, it requires less time. Compared to native apps, development and maintenance costs are higher. Who used PWAs? As demonstrated, the best features of native apps and web pages are combined in PWA. The reason why it is frequently utilized by leading businesses worldwide, such as American Eagle, Adidas, Puma, Lancome, Grindr, Starbucks, Twitter, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and so many more. Benefits of using PWAs. And after incorporating PWA technology, these businesses experienced a great deal of success, dramatically reducing their page load times and bounce rates while also growing center, conversions, time spent on site, active user count, and page views. Who will need a PWA? You might be wondering who would benefit from a PWA, and the answer is anyone who wants a platform that functions flawlessly on both desktop and mobile, as well as a website with an incredibly quick page load time, or noteworthy enhancements in SEO ranks, client engagement, rate of return, and center. How to develop a PWA? There are 3 steps that you need to follow. First, you should build up your knowledge about this technology and understand its pros and cons to see whether it can fully meet your needs. Second, you need to clarify your PWA's design and features requirements. Finally, you need to find a professional PWA development agency to turn your expectations into a reality.